In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Freshsales for real estate. Freshsales is a great tool for real estate businesses because it helps you keep track of leads, stay consistent with follow-ups, and clearly see what is happening in your sales pipeline at every stage. That means fewer missed opportunities and a much more organized process for both buyers and sellers. To get started, log into your Freshsales account. Once you're inside, head over to the admin settings. This is where you'll manage the core setup of your CRM and customize it for the way your real estate business works. From admin settings, go to Deals and Pipelines, then click on Pipelines. After that, select Create Pipeline. This is where you'll build a sales flow that matches a typical real estate journey from first inquiry all the way to closing. Name the pipeline Real Estate Pipeline for this example. Giving it a clear and simple name makes it easier to identify later, especially if your team ends up creating multiple pipelines for different services or markets. Now begin adding your stages. First, add new inquiry and set it to 10% probability. This stage is for a brand new buyer or seller inquiry. It helps your team capture interest early and make sure new leads are immediately visible. Next, add qualified and set it to 30% probability. This stage means the lead has been reviewed and confirmed as a real opportunity. In other words, they meet your basic criteria and are worth actively pursuing. Then add property matching and set it to 40%. This stage is used when you are searching for suitable properties based on the client's needs. It's a useful midpoint that reflects movement beyond qualification. After that, add property viewing. This stage is for clients who are scheduled to view a property. It marks a strong sign of engagement and helps your team track active interest. Next, add negotiation and set it to 60% probability. This is where price, terms, or conditions are being discussed. It's an important stage because the deal is becoming more serious. Then add offer submitted and set it to 80% probability. This shows that a buyer has formally made an offer, which places the opportunity close to completion. Add contract or documentation and set it to 100%. This stage is for preparing and processing the paperwork. It represents the final operational step before the deal is fully wrapped up. You'll also notice that won and lost stages already exist by default. These are built in so every deal can end with a clear final outcome, which is essential for reporting and forecasting. Finally, click Save. Once that's done, you can create modules for buyer information and seller information. As a best practice, don't overload the deal name with every property detail. Use custom fields for structured information instead, since that makes reporting, filtering, automation, and forecasting much more useful. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.